here's the question. How do I add a new admin or another admin to my LinkedIn company page? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So I'm going to go to my company page. Let's pick one of them right here. Here's Burriss Consulting. And I'm going to come over here and you can see I can view it as a member over here, or I can come down here and edit the page, or I can go to settings. I think it's under settings, manage admins. Here it is here. And then you can see I have my wife as a super admin and so am I. So I want to add someone else. So let me go add, Megan. So I'm going to add Megan Jewelli, who's the first level connection of mine. By the way, you do not need to be connected. I can add, Andy TA. I can add, Andy Tarvin. He doesn't need to be first level connected. But I'm going to add Megan Gioli. Here she is right here. And I'm going to make a decision to make her a super admin, a content admin, or an analyst. Well, I want her to be a content admin. And I'm going to hit save. And now I've added her as a content admin. Now if I go on her computer and look at what she got, let me show you what she gets on her computer. And you'll see right here under pages that she's an admin now. You'll see that she does not have all of the same functionality that a super admin has, including she cannot add other admins, but she can monitor activity and see if there's anything that she should engage on here. And she can also see analytics. Any analytics that are happening. She can get the messaging that comes through messages, and she can create events as a content admin. Bottom line, it's pretty easy to add a content admin. Again, I'm going to go back to my page. From the company page, go to settings, click on manage admins, and add a new admin. And once you are done adding a super admins, you have the ability to delete yourself or change your permissions once you've added another super admin. Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.